feel confident because I'm the best player in the world.
2 contestants, 1 belt. Y'all gonna vote for the best.
Are we gonna edit this? Yes, we will be editing this.
Huh? Underdog?
Well, right.
Me?
I don't think so, but
Me either.
Someone will say something witty. That's not me, right?
We're gonna try some salmon. We killed it, they made it, we're gonna eat it.
This one looks nice and like crispy, so I'm gonna try this one first.
I mean, if I wanna do this and be a professional food critic, the presentation looks dope.
Can't really taste much beyond the garlic. It is super juicy though.
It's pretty tasty.
Oh my god. This one's really good. I feel like the sauce is like a citrus lime sauce.
It's just got a lot of lime on it and it's really tasty.
This one, some sort of sweet and sour situation going maybe.
This one looks spicier. Ooh. Ooh.
I mean, definitely sweet. Packs a much bigger flavor like punch.
It's a little intense, but it's pretty tasty.
This one's like sweeter and spicier. Oh my god, it's so spicy.
Oh yeah. A little tingle. I got a little tingle. Yeah, you know.
Okay, I'm not a spicy girl, so I like the first one.
You can't say I have a favorite, but I'd probably choose LeBron.
Yeah, I like them both, but I think I'm gonna go with the first one.
LeBron. Yeah, you don't even need other rings, but I gave you one. My wedding ring. Marry me. LeBron.
It's just all went to honestly.